everyone, today's notes are based on rational percentages and multiplying and dividing rational numbers day 2. To start off with, this ratio of A to B is the quotient A divided by B. Next one, write the ratio of A to B as a fraction. There's your fraction. Or you can write it A to B, which is colon. Next one, use a ratio to compare two quantities. So here's some basic stuff. If a person has 6 cats and 2 dogs, then the ratio, don't forget, cats to dogs. Which one comes first? Cats. Dogs is second. Something to something. The first thing is going to go on top. The second thing is going to go on bottom. Because of that, you can say it's 6 cats to 2 dogs, and you should reduce it into 3 cats, 1 dog. Next thing, we can say there are 3 cats to 1 dog. We're going to translate in. This means there are 3 cats per dog. Or we can say there are 3 times as many cats as dogs. So those are the 3 ways you can mention in your sentence. Union ratio is a ratio written as A to B with B, which is denominator right here, equal to 1, or as A to B with B equal to 1. Couple examples now. Example 1, find a union ratio. Example 1, in 2013, the average annual charge for tuition and fees was $8,070 at public 4-year colleges and $2,792 at public 2-year college. The source is from U.S. National Center for Education Statistics. Find the unit ratio of the average annual charge at public 4-year college to. So what public 4-year college goes first to the average annual charges at 2-year college. 4 years first. What does the result mean? 4-year college is $8,070 over the 2-year college is $2,792. I'm going to pause the video and reduce and write the sentence for you. So the answer is, here's the fraction that's come out to be 2.89. I rounded to 2 decimal places. Here's the sentence. The average annual charge for the tuition and fees at the public 4-year college, see that's first, is about 2.89 times the average annual charges for the tuition and fees at the public 2-year college. This is the kind of paragraph I would like to see so you can understand what is the representation of 2.89. Again, that's how many times more compared to the top to the bottom. Example number 2, comparing ratios. The median of a group of numbers in the middle or the average of the 2 numbers in the middle. When the numbers are listed in order from smallest to the largest, the median sales price of existing homes and the median household income in 2011 are shown in table 25 for 4 regions of United States. Here are the table. Letter A, find the unit ratio of the median sales price of existing homes to the median household income in the Northwest. What does that result mean? Here's the Northwest we are going to find. And we are going to find the ratio. Now, what's the ratio? Find the union ratio of the median sales price existing home to the median home in the Northwest. The 2 connection right here. Median sales price existing home to the median household income. I'm going to pause it and find those 2 numbers. And if you want to, it's really right here. And then we are going to find the ratio for that. For the purpose that we are want to be 100% sure what does the situation or what does the result means, here is the fraction that is going to be the median existing home over the income right here, and that's 4.58. So the sentence or the paragraph, you should write the median price of an existing home in the Northeast is location is about 4.58 times the median household income in that region. Here's the number. This is going to be the home price on top. Bottom is the income. So make sure you address that and make sure you give it as much information as possible. So in this case, you should include Northeast. Letter B. For each of the 4 regions, find the union rate. Find the union ratio of the median sales price existing home to the median household income. Take into account the median household income of each region. List the region in order affordability of existing home from the greatest to the least. Please pause the video, do your calculation, and list them, and let's check your answer. Answer for example 2B. I found the ratio comparison for each region, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you look at the ratio, it's 4.58 and then 2.73 and 3.17 and 3.77. The lower the unit ratio, the more affordable. Letter C. A person believes that existing homes in South are more affordable than in the Midwest because the median price of an existing home is lower in the South than the Midwest. What would you tell that person? To give you a proper explanation, the median sales price of a home in South is a bit lower than that in the Midwest. The median income, that's important, the median income in the Midwest is so much higher than it is in the South. That existing homes are actually more affordable in the Midwest because the people in the Midwest makes much more money. Buy a home that's a little bit more expensive, it might not take as big of a paycheck to have to pay for it. So that's why there's a difference. And if you look at the ratio, the comparison, the Midwest, the ratio between the home and the salary is 2.73, but the South is number 3 right here. The house is 135,200, but you only make 42,000, so the ratio is much higher. So there is the difference. And that concludes the videos for today. Thank you so much for watching.